County in southwestern Missouri, southwestern Stone County in southwestern Missouri, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned
Yeah, that
area.
makes sense.
Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Shell Nub, Golden, Emerald Beach, Eagle Rock, Chino Lakes, Arrow Point and Table Rock Lake. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.